Welcome to this step-by-step guide on changing the image resolution in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to adjust the resolution of an image on your site using WordPress site editor interface. We will start at the very beginning and walk you through each step carefully so that by the end, you feel confident making this adjustment on your own. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once you are there, look for the login option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the website's interface. Clicking on the login button will take you to a page where you can securely access your account. After you have clicked on login, you will see an option that says Continue with Google. This shortcut is very convenient. By choosing it, you simply select your Google account from the list provided. This method ensures a swift and secure authentication, allowing you to bypass the need for manually entering your username and password. Once you have logged in, locate the Quick Links section on the WordPress dashboard. This area is designed to provide easy access to the most commonly used tools on your website. Within this section, you will find the option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will open the Site Editor, which is where you can make changes to various elements of your website, including images. Within the editor, you need to interact with the image block whose resolution you want to adjust. To do this, simply click on the image block. This action will highlight the block and enable extra options related to editing the image's properties. It is at this stage that you can visually identify the image element on your page that requires adjustment. Once you have selected the image block, direct your attention to the right panel of the editor. Here you will notice a series of icons and settings that allow you to personalize the content and appearance of your image. Look for and click on the gear icon, a clear indicator for accessing more detailed settings and configurations. The gear icon represents the Settings tab where you can modify various properties of the image block. With the Settings panel open, continue by scrolling through the available options until you locate the section labeled Resolution. This section is specifically dedicated to modifying the dimensions and quality aspects of the image. The resolution setting is essential for ensuring that your image displays correctly on different devices and maintains an optimal visual appearance. After you have navigated to the resolution section, you will be presented with several choices for the image resolution. Here, take your time to choose the resolution that best fits your website's design and loading speed requirements. Selecting the appropriate resolution is important because it affects not only the appearance of the image, but also the overall performance of your website. A higher resolution might offer more clarity, but could also lead to longer load times, whereas a lower resolution can help with faster loading without sacrificing too much visual quality. In summary, once you have accessed WordPress, clicked on Login, continued with your Google account, navigated to the Quick Links section and chosen Edit Site, selected your image block, accessed the gear icon on the right panel, found the resolution section, and finally chosen your desired resolution, you have successfully adjusted the image settings on your WordPress site. Following these steps carefully ensures that your images look their best while keeping your website efficient and user-friendly. Enjoy the process of customizing your content and improving your website's visual presentation.